After 50, I finally learned to close these 3 doors to love after turning 50. Many women begin to see love more clearly. A truly wise woman learns to close 3 doors in a relationship, and once opened, they can bring a lifetime of regret. 1. Don't give too much. Healthy love is like a shared account. Both need to deposit effort, respect, and care. But when a woman starts paying all the bills, doing all the chores, or even using her own family's money to help the man, she slowly loses her value in his eyes. Just like Meixiao in Tokyo, she paid off her boyfriend's debts for years, only to be told at the proposal, "You earn more, so let's skip the wedding gift." The moment she gave too much, she lost his respect. 2. Don't be his savior. Supporting your partner is kind, but saving him from every fall? Dangerous. Designer Sumin helped her boyfriend pay for his studies and business. She even risked her parents' house. In the end, he left her for a young assistant. Real love is about growing together like a couple who shares a studio, each creating their own art, yet supporting each other side by side. 3. Don't always forgive too easily. Soft-hearted women often let men cross the line again and again. One woman forgave her husband's affair, but he grew bolder, staying out all night. When their child wrote, "I hope daddy comes home," she finally woke up. Protecting your heart isn't cold, it's strong. Like a woman in Kyoto who, instead of fighting when her husband gambled, quietly moved out. Only after he changed and apologized did she allow healing with conditions. Dear women over 50, love shouldn't cost your dignity. Close the doors to begging, saving, and endless forgiving. Not to block love, but to protect it.